What are you doing? What is she doing? What are you doing?
Hey, Bonnie, can I hold her?
Yes, you can. Hook up your hands together for me. Rub it all the way up your hands. Any exposed skin. Get in your elbow creases and get the backs of your hands. Here, let's put some just around your neck.
Okay, Bonnie, you're good to go.
Okay, great, thanks. Here.
By their second kid, every mom is an expert and more likely to choose love than first-time moms. Liz learned to get love.
Quietly, while the rest recharge, is the most important box in the world. Crispy Flakes, sons of the